So continuing with styling our page, we want to look at our banner at the top, our banner section. So I think I said we've sort of done our top navigation. We then want to look at how do we style the banner. Oops. And here's what it's supposed to kind of look like, something like this. There's an image over on the left, some text, are you cyber smart? And so how do we go about this? There's lots of different ways we can do this. I'm trying to do it in an easy way. Let's go back to brackets. So the first thing is go into your topic 3 page and let's create a division and type div ID as we've done before. We'll call this the banner. And make sure you surround. Our banner is essentially just made up of an image which is hyperlinked and a heading. So let's save that. Let's go to the style sheet. And in the style sheet, again, let's create a banner section to store all our banner styles. Oops, Control Z. Fix that up. So in the banner, you'll see here, it's a green background and the text is orange. So let's go into banner, type background, and let's write, that's dark green, try to be consistent. And the colour is orange. So we'll do a couple settings and try it. So let's save that. I'm on my style sheet. I need to go on topic the actual HTML page before I do the live preview. And there it is, there's our banner. Now it's not exactly what we want. We would like the text up here next to the image. A simple way of doing that I can think of, actually before I do that, just go to one of your other pages, just see, so go to your home page. Now on your home page you need to add, I didn't mention this, so actually I don't need that line there, there was an extra line there for the heading. So on this page here, and you'll do this on all of your pages because the banner should be the same on all pages, and type in ID equals banner. So you need to do this on all of your web pages because the banner should be the same on all web pages. So I'll just save that. And also another one I didn't do, if you go down the bottom of the top index page, I didn't do the footer. I'll get rid of those paragraph tags. And again, let's put the div around these pages. So this was called footer. And let's see what difference this makes now to this home page. Let's save. Okay, let's go back to topic 3. Here it is here. Now watch what happens. I click on home and you see the home page now has got the exact same styling as that online gaming page. Social media and privacy, I haven't actually applied those divs, so until I apply those divs I won't get those settings. So you should make sure the footer here and the banner up the top and the navigation should be the same on all pages. So actually let's me fix up the index. In the index page I need to put around my navigation links, I need to put, it's called top navigation. And we'll just save that. So again, let's have a look at that. So there's online gaming. Click home, you see now that navigation bar is in the same formatting, the footer's the same formatting, the up the top here it's the same formatting. And one final thing, let's go to My Styles. Now the problem is we want the text to be next to the image on the same sort of you know, they're aligned horizontally. So we're just trying to get the RU Cybersmart in the center of the banner and the image on the far left. So what we can do, there's a property called float, and what we actually want, what I'm going to do here is I want this image to be in the far left, and I'm going to use the float property to say that. Now when you use float, any elements that come after it, if there's enough room on the same line, so in this case the heading, if there's enough room, the heading will come up next to the image. So in order to do that, where's my banner? Just where banner is. Type banner and type ing. So what this does, this selector, it is saying, okay, in the banner section or the banner division, if there are any images, and there is one image, we want to apply the following property and or the following style. Type the word float, F-L-O-A-T, and type the word left. Save that. I'm going to use this property again in the main content section to move an image to the right. So now when we have a look, what you'll find is the text has come up the top and that image is in the far left. To improve it a bit, one final thing, I'm going to use the height property to set the height of this banner. So if I go back to our banner section, just type the word height, and you just type in some sort of height, I don't know, 100 pixels, something like that. I think I might have used 80 in the slides. So let's have a look at that, and you'll see now, yep, there you go. So RU Cybersmart, and we could probably improve it a bit. I would actually like to do, so any text in the banner, so if I go text align and I go center, save that. So again, I'm just changing the banner. Now that text you see is actually a line in the center of that remaining area. And I like a bit of green above, so there's a property called padding, and so I'm going to put that in as well. So padding just adds space around the content. So you'll see when I put padding, and I want to do it at the top, there's actually, you can do padding on the left, the right, the bottom, or the top. So if I put top, and let's put 10 pixels, see if that's enough. You see now there's more green above Are You Cyber Smart. You can adjust the settings to make it look better if you want, but that's roughly just a few little adjustments to improve the appearance. Now if I go to home, yeah, there you go, on home page, because I'd already did the division there, you see that's also got the menu. Whereas on social media and privacy, where I haven't put the division called banner, so let's just see that in action. If I go to topic 1, and let's quickly just put that in, div ID banner. Yeah, don't like to go too long the video, but anyway, I'll put this one in and have a look. And I'll save that. Now we'll go back to this page, and you see now home, social media. I haven't done the actual navigation bar there, but it's got the same banner as the other page, same as online gaming. So you just need to be consistent, make sure all 4 web pages have that same banner at the top. You can have a go now of your website, create your